Mastering Smart Shipping with Voila. In this video, we're diving into one of our most powerful features, Smart Shipping, and let Voila do the heavy lifting. Here's how it works. Instead of building complex logic on your end, you simply make an API call to /v1//smart shipping/ create label and pass the smart shipping group a name. Voila handles the rest. In your Voila dashboard, head to Smart Shipping on the left-hand menu and choose the API account you'd like to configure. Let's say you're shipping 1,000 parcels daily, half domestic, half international. You might want express services like DPD next day for some orders, and economy carriers like Every or Yodel for others. Whether you're charging customers for express or offering free standard shipping, Smart Shipping adapts to your strategy. Start by creating rule groups, like Express, Standard, or Expedited. Then build individual smart rules within those groups. For example, create a rule called Mainland, assign it to the Standard group, and set its priority. Higher priority will equal a higher preference if multiple rules apply. To make rules precise, add detailed parameters. Choose supported countries, like the United Kingdom. You can also add postcode exclusions. If you're using Yodel or Every, for example, you may want to exclude certain postcodes like BT, which is Northern Ireland. You could then use Royal Mail or another cost-effective service for those locations. You can add as many exclusions or inclusions as you need, and even copy-paste from a file. You may value limits, like capping Yodel shipments at £50. Everything above that will use a different service. You can also define time-based logic. If Yodel collects at 3:30 p.m., send early orders with Yodel and later orders with Every, who collects at 8 p.m. Some services have weight or size limits that you have to specify, like max weight, say 3 kilograms, or parcel dimensions. You can also specify failover services where you switch to Every if Yodel's API fails. Additionally, you can set up your return labels to auto-generate both outbound and return shipping. Once you're happy, click Create Rule, and it's live. If you're using Smart Shipping in your API, simply make a Smart Shipping request, specifying the Smart Shipping group as you would like to use. That's all you need to do. The system will automatically apply the correct rule. If you ever need to override Smart Shipping for a specific shipment, you can still use the Smart Shipping endpoint, but specify the exact service you want. The beauty of Smart Shipping is flexibility. If Yodel isn't performing well or another carrier offers you a better price, you can update your rule instantly. Imagine DPD offers you a better deal. You can go and set the output service, change it to DPD next day, and save the rule. From that moment forward, all orders will automatically switch to DPD. And voila! Like magic, your shipping system is smart, simple, and ready to scale with you.